Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we are going to talk about performance of Oukitel WP5000. We will run benchmark tests and play some games. If you missed, you can watch unboxing video of this phone by the link in description. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Oukitel WP5000 is powered by Helio P25. The chipset is already outdated because it was released in the beginning of 2017. However, it is still very popular among Chinese phones. The maximum clock speed reaches 2.6 GHz. Also, there is 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory, with microSD memory card support up to 128 GB. Now let's look at benchmarks. As you can see, Oukitel WP5000 scores about 77,000 points in AnTuTu. It is a good result, and you should not have any problems with everyday tasks and even latest Android games on low graphics settings. However, I expected something more from $300 phone. As for GeekBench 4, here you can see 931 points in single-core test and 2936 points in multi-core test. The next benchmark 3D Mark shows 990 points in slingshot test. Also, I tested memory speed, GPS and Wi-Fi. I didn't notice any problems. The phone works very well. Finally, let's play games. This is my favorite part of performance test. As usual, I want to start with PUBG Mobile, because this is the most popular game on Android for today. The game automatically chooses low graphics settings, and I cannot change them in settings menu. In general, it is comfortable to play PUBG Mobile on Oukitel WP5000. There are no delays or slowdowns. FPS is okay. By the way, after playing about 10 minutes, I didn't notice overheating. I cannot show you the temperature, but the phone isn't hot at all. It is very good. The next game is called Shadowgun Legends. This is one of the heaviest Android games that I've ever played. The first-person shooter with interesting story. Although Oukitel WP5000 is powered by the last year's chipset Helio P25, it doesn't have any problems with latest Android games. Of course, it is better to choose medium or even low graphics settings. However, you can easily play any games on this phone. The last game for today is Asphalt Extreme. This is a very popular racing game, and perhaps you are interested in how it runs on Oukitel WP5000. As you can see, very well. It's a pleasure to play games on this device, even though it's not quite a gaming phone. So it was performance test of Oukitel WP5000. Yes, it has outdated Helio P25 chipset, and I would like to have something newer, maybe even Snapdragon processor. However, there is 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory, so you will not have problems with multitasking and storage. Also, I didn't notice any issues with gaming. This phone runs any Android games, but you will need to choose medium graphics settings. Thanks for watching. What do you think about Oukitel WP5000? Is it good for gaming? Write in comments below. In the description under this video you can find where to buy it cheaper. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. In coming days we will publish battery and camera tests of this phone.